Hey, Skylar here from the Changeyoucanwear. We're gonna be making something really cool today. I went to the coin shop today and picked up 70 barber dimes. And there's actually a couple seated Liberty dimes mixed in here too. A minimum of 105 years old. Some of the oldest things in there are 132 years old. And they're all 90% silver. And I was thinking about making a really awesome chain with them. It's gonna be an extremely time-consuming chain, but it's gonna look so cool when it's finished. All right, let's get inside and let's get to it. One down and 69 to go. All right, so now what we need to do is anneal these guys and soften the metal so we can start to bend them into a cone shape.
A few moments later.
Perfect. Time to do that 69 more times. All right, check it out. That is a ton of little tiny cone-shaped dimes. We're doing really good. So we did great, we got them all folded, only had one casualty. It's a pretty good success rate if you ask me, I'll take it. Now believe it or not, we gotta get these little guys smaller, so that is gonna require us to Swedish wrap every single link. So we're gonna Swedish wrap every link and then anneal them. And then once we're done annealing, then we're going to go ahead and start to size.
much later.
Okay, so now we have all of these guys finished, and we're going to be cleaning them up in this pickle. And once they're all cleaned up, we'll cut half of them and then start to interlock our chain. Then we'll solder it, antique it, and we'll be about done.
Much later.
Alright guys, this was a pretty interesting project. I really enjoyed making this chain. Even though it took quite a while to do, it was definitely worth it. The result is extremely unique. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Check out my website, Changeyoucanwear.net, for all the jewelry that I make. This chain won't be up there, it's already off to its new home, but I have all sorts of other really neat things you guys can check out on the website. For those of you who have subscribed to my new channel, Sojourn Fine Jewelry, I haven't forgot about it. I've just been really busy, and we're gonna be getting to that channel really soon. The first project I'm gonna be working on next week, hopefully, it's actually gonna be a pendant I made from some rocks that we found in a trip to the Grand Canyon. And if you have any other ideas or things you wanna see me make sure you let me know in the comments below. I'm always interested in hearing what you guys have to say. I guess that's about it for today, so thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.